A group of birds and a tree in the snow. Draw a tree. Red fruit. Make them as a group. Make more different groups. Adjustment curves. Layer duplicate. Arrange the red fruit groups on the tree and do a little bit adjustment. Add all the layers together. Resize and do adjustment. Use cloud brush make cloud, driven snow make falling snow. The two brushes are in element. The snow on the tree was made by using brush clouds. Draw a bird. Make more birds by layer duplicate and adjustment. Keep doing like this, make more birds in different flight states. Arrange the birds in the tree and sky. Crop and resize. Tree and birds in the snow. I'm so happy that you liked my work. Thank you very much for watching, liking, subscribing and forwarding my channel. Love you all and I appreciate you all.